Hello class, welcome to Art 14, Art Appreciation. My name is Li Ching Accurso and I'm your instructor. On this short video, I want to show you about some important things you should check every time you log in. So, announcement. This is how I communicate with you. So you should click on these announcements and read the information. Next thing is assignment. Here are all the assignments that you need to complete for this course and come to a total of 1,000 points. And all the assignments are open on the first day of class. And the due dates are here and the points are here. So you can start working on them as soon as you're able. You can go ahead of the schedule if you like. That's not a problem. In fact, I highly recommend it that you work ahead. And then I want to show you there are only two items here. Number 1, tests, and number 2, tests. They are open in a 40-hour period on a particular Sunday and Monday. So those two items you may not work ahead of time. But the rest I highly recommend you work ahead because I do not accept late work. And in my experience, there are students like to work on the last minute. And that is really not good practice for online learning. This next thing I want to show you is the modules, which I just clicked, and then we come to these weekly learning modules. So on week 1, for example, you need to click on the lesson plan. That will expand and show you the content. So after the learning objectives, you see the activities. These are the 3 assignments that you need to finish by next Monday. And then here, number 1, chapter assignment, which worth 100 points. They are really not hard questions, but they are lengthy. So give yourself plenty of time to work on these assignments. And did I mention I have students like to work on last minute and then they cannot submit it. The Canvas shut them down, and I do not accept late work. So please do your work early and submit early if you like. And if you have questions about it, or questions about anything actually, the next thing I want to show you is this inbox. That's how you contact me. I much prefer this than the college email. This way I can keep all the Canvas learning materials inclusive here on Canvas. So contact me through inbox. You click on it. There's a place for you to write messages, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. So if you're not sure if your assignment was loaded correctly, send me a message through inbox. I'll be happy to check for you ahead of time, right? Not on the due date. That's all. Have a great semester. Bye.